Today we're removing the front door panel and speaker from a Nissan Armada. We're going to start with our pry bar, and below the door open handle is a small panel. We're going to release it and remove it from the panel. This is going to access one Phillips screw, and we're going to remove this screw. With this screw removed, pry along the edges of this panel, releasing it from behind the door lock. Sometimes it takes pulling the door handle to help release this panel, and we can set this to the side. This will give access to one more screw behind this panel underneath the handhold. With our pry bar, we're going to gently pry the bottom edge of the insert along the door handle, releasing clips. We're going to work our way up the edges of this panel, both left and right edges, releasing these clips. They are released with pry pressure, and this will allow you to remove the panel. This is going to access two more mounting screws to the door panel, one at the top and one at the bottom. With these screws removed, we're going to move to the top of the door. There is a control panel here that we're going to pry the front and back edges of this panel up to release it. Again, it releases with pry pressure. We'll be able to pull it up out of the opening and access the connectors here. These connectors again have triggers on them that you squeeze in to unlock, and it will release the connector. This will allow you to set the panel to the side. Along the back edge of the armrest, we're going to start with our pry bar again. We're going to work along the edges of this armrest to release these clips. These clips again release with pry pressure. Once this panel has been released, we can lift it up and place it to the side. Again, this is going to access another hidden screw, and we're going to remove this screw. With our pry bar, we're going to move back to the bottom of the door panel to the courtesy light. We're going to slightly pry the edges down on this to release the light assembly. This will allow us to remove the connector and set this to the side. Be sure to feed this connector through the door panel when removing, and back through when you place it back on the door. With our pry bar, we're going to start at the front top edge of the door panel, releasing clips, and work our way around it. The clips here all release with pry pressure. Some of these can be somewhat difficult when releasing, but you will be able to tell when the door panel releases from the door. With these clips all released along the edges of the door, we're going to move up to the top edge of the door panel and pry the top edge of the door panel. This door panel comes straight off rather than away from the door and up out of the window jamb. With all the clips released along the top edge and sides and bottom of this panel, we're going to pull it slightly back from the door. This will give access to several cables here on the back. To release these cables, you grasp the gray base at the door lock. You pull it up out of its lock, which will allow you to put some slack in the cable and turn it around and lift it up out of its lock. This one has a tab that goes down into a slot on it. At the door handle, we have a similar cable. We're going to grasp the gray base at the back of it and lift it up out of the opening to release the lock, and again we're going to turn this cable around to lift it up out, allow the cable to clear up out of the opening and remove the end of this cable. These cables go back to their specific openings and remove the door panel and set it to the side. Check the door, all the edges of where the clips were on this door for any clips that pulled from their mount on the door panel. And with your pry bar, we're going to release these all from the door. This will help us to put them back into the door panel itself. There's usually a slot that the clip aligns with. You place it into the slot and push it back up into the opening to lock it into place. It'll be ready for installing the door panel. This is going to give access to 4 mounting screws along the edge of this speaker. This is a 6x9 speaker in the front of this vehicle. Replacement is pretty simple. See our website for speaker phasing to get that correct, or wire diagrams that we may have on file. With these 4 screws removed, this will allow you to pull the speaker out of the door panel, release the lock on the connector. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, see our website for other help, and thank you for watching.